big boy. Oops. You'd think I'm gonna say good morning because I just made coffee. This is my second cup today and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you were to tell me I look tired, I would 100% agree with you. So today is day 6 of my sister being in the hospital. If you're not sure what's going on, I'll give you just a little snippet. I did talk more about this in the live where we cleaned this kitchen. It's 2 hours long if you want to go watch that. But she went to the ER last week for some GI issues. They admitted her, they did scope scans, all that good stuff, trying to figure out what's going on, trying to get her stable and on the right medication so that when she leaves, she doesn't have like a flare up again and that she doesn't have to end up back in the hospital square one. Okay, that's where we are now. So Kelly and I are still staying here with the dogs, watching over the house, all that good stuff. I didn't finish the dishes in the live. The dishes are all done now. They look beautiful. Kitchen has stayed pretty clean from that live. I have not done anything else cleaning wise. Zip, zilch, zero. So today we are going to do the dining room, living room situation. Kelly did the living room when he was here, but it's just, you know, there's dogs, things get moved. So we're just going to rearrange it a little bit. In theory, she should come home tomorrow is what we're hoping for. As long as, like I said, as long as she's stable to come home, we're fine if she needs to stay there a little longer. It just, she needs to get better so that this doesn't happen again. You know what I mean? Hopefully it doesn't take me 2 hours to clean in the dining room. I don't think it will. I think it's just more so like she didn't have the energy to take stuff upstairs, so it just got set down, you know? Same with like trash and recycles. I think they just kind of got set down because she wasn't feeling good for 3 weeks before she even went. I'm going to stop my yap fest and we're going to get started. Girl, excuse you. Does my camera have an astigmatism? Can you calm down? That's better, I think. As I said, it's just like everyday things that you just kind of pile on the table, and she didn't have the energy to clean it. So we're gonna clean it right now, okay? Okay. Oh, Mandy. Oh, Mandy. What, Mandy? I'm not going anywhere. First thing I want to tackle is just the top of this. That's not gonna take very long at all, but can we just have a moment for this cover? I will link wherever the heck she got this from. But wait, there's more. The matching bed. It's for this one because he's had 2 tummy surgeries for eating stuff. Yes, you have, and you have no regrets. So that's why you get this beautiful kennel when we leave. He does such a good job in the kennel, but like I just love how she made it like the sweetest little padded room for him. When I'm watching TV, all of her dogs take turns going in and out of it, just like resting it in the evening times. Even Kylo. How have you guys not eaten these fruit roll-ups that have been on top of this kennel? Okay, good boys. Does anyone think Kelly will notice these up here? I've already royally messed up the order of her collar rack here, so we're just gonna drape these so she can fix them when she comes back. She has them by like size and seasons. She literally knows how and what to grab and what sizes. So I kind of just lay them there and let her do what she's going to do with her beautiful collars. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This looks less overwhelming, so let's start here. This is mine. This is mine. Okay, this is mine. Please tell me why my child has 3 bags of clothes here. when my mother got him a duffel bag for Christmas so he would stop using sacks and losing them. It's working real well. Okay, so I just got really overwhelmed for no random reason. So we're going to go through the 5 things tidying method because that's going to help me break it down real quick because my brain cannot break this down into smaller pieces for some reason. So trash first. This is trash. These are not trash. Oh, these are seeds. Trash. Second thing, dishes. This isn't technically a dish, but I'm going into the kitchen anyways. Is this the only dish? Dishes. I think I can work with this without breaking it down even further. That kind of helped my brain start to separate it. Okay, let's go. Look at how cute this little, it's like a fairy garden guy. Oh my god, it's so cute and so whimsical. Okay, let's style this then, huh? Girl, sit up. Girl, get up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's tackle this guy, shall we? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, cute. Ooh. Those are pretty. Oh, look at March. A double daffodil and narcissus. Okay, those are really pretty. I have no idea where she wants it. It's not gonna stay there. Huh. I don't know. Were any of you gonna tell me I had founding father hair? Or were you just gonna let me do the rest of the video like that? Oh my god. Birds of Nebraska. Nebraska. Oh, and then she has a sticker back here that says, I'm an adult. I like birdwatch. I'm into bird watching. She knows her birds. Okay, they're barking. Give me 1 second. Who wants their coat on? You don't need this on! You seriously, you were coming to get it on! What are you so happy about? You want it on? Both of you? Oh, babies! That's crazy work. You don't even need this. Bunch of dorks. so I'm at a little bit of a loss over here because I don't know where she's going to want any of her Christmas stuff. I know she doesn't want it out. I just don't know where to put it. So I think I'll probably just like fold this little guy up and, oh my gosh, it's a button. Oh my gosh. How freaking fancy. Can it do, oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, heavens, hold on. So you rotate in here. You rotate in here. So you're all just one little jolly, happy, go lucky button guy. How cute. How cute is that? Yeah, I don't really know where to put that. I don't know what she does with that stuff. So I'm just going to wipe off the counter and then I think we're done in here. Also, this is how much, this stuff is how much me and Kelly were contributing. So my bad. Oh. These candles we get at the Omaha farmers markets, and I don't remember the name of the shop that they're in, but it is a husband and wife black owned company, and these are like one of the only candles that Lauren and I will buy anymore. They have these ones. They have some like intention ones too. They have a lot of beautiful containers. I just like them because they aren't like, they're powerful scents, but you know that they're all natural. It's not like the gross stuff that the commercial candles give you. So check those candles out if you're in the market for new candles. Okay, this is what this is gonna look like. I also have no idea how to like fix this. This is from, I believe, heat, because we use this for hosting. I think just over the years it got heat on it. So if you have any ideas of how to fix that, let me know. Okay, so I was gonna do the living room, but look at all of them. Plus I have to leave. So I think I'll just save this for tomorrow, like before she's coming home. I guess what we can do right now, actually, because all I have to do is pick up like the blankets and stuff that they're sitting on. The rest of it, like that's all those squishies get stacked up there. I guess what I can do right now though, her dog loves to bring shoes and cuddle them on the couch. That would be cool, Willie. We can clean this, can we not? All right, let's just do that real quick. Ta-da! There we go. I did fold that giant thing just so it's up and out of the way because I almost died like 4 times on it, but all right, here we have it. Kylo. The finished product. Ta-da! I know that there's more that I could do, but I'm drained just from doing that. And I know she'll appreciate even me just doing that much for her because she was so unable to do anything for a couple of weeks. So I know in my heart of hearts, I'm over here like, okay, you could be doing X, Y, and Z. You could do the front entryway. You could deep clean the living room. But I need to take care of my mental noggin. And I know that if I go overboard with it, I'm going to get grumpy, and I don't need to do that. That was more than enough. It was more than helpful. She'll appreciate any little bit of it. I just have to talk myself off of the ledge. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. I hope the next videos were supposed to be in my house decluttering or organizing and spring cleaning the cabinets, but we will get back there. I promise. I promise. I need to go shopping. Maybe when she comes home tomorrow, she wants to go out and do something. So maybe we could go shopping for storage bins for under the cabinet or the junk drawer or something. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for all your love and support and for watching me. I greatly appreciate you. And I have to say, I thought having a week off of work would make me more stressed out money-wise, but you guys continuing to watch me, continuing to support me, help me make money on this app. So yes, I'm still stressed, but I am much less stressed than I would normally be, and that is because of you guys. So thank you so much for being here and giving me the opportunity to lift some stress off of my shoulders. I am beyond grateful for every single one of you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.